Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake on a tawa. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of oil. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a few drops of vanilla extract for flavor. Prepare your 6-inch cake pan by greasing it well and dusting with flour, or line it with parchment paper. Now let's get that batter ready. In a large bowl, combine your sugar and oil, whisking them together until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Next, gradually add the milk and vanilla extract, stirring gently until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, sift together your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then, carefully fold these dry ingredients into your wet mixture until just combined, avoiding overmixing. It's time to bake. Place your tawa on the stove over medium-low heat and let it preheat for at least 10 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Carefully pour your prepared cake batter into the greased and floured 6-inch cake pan. Now, gently place the cake pan onto the hot tawa. Cover the tawa tightly with a lid, ensuring no steam escapes, and let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. After about 30 to 40 minutes, check your cake for doneness. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. If not, cover and cook for a few more minutes. Once baked, remove the cake from the tawa and let it cool completely on a wire rack before attempting to remove it from the pan. This easy method yields a delicious, moist cake every time. And speaking of great finds, check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other fantastic deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.